Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, there is a small insect. And number two, the dog likes. Correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. There is a fly on the leaf. There is a fly on the leaf. Fly. There is a fly on the leaf. Soon it will fly away. Now we can make a flashcard for fly and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Fly, F-L-Y. Up here, it is an insect. The category down here, A-N-I-M, 1. This means animal, level 1. And over here the number 13 out of 33. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Fly. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer looks at me every day. Jennifer looks at me every day. Me. Jennifer looks at me every day. She doesn't look at Bob. Me equals I, but we use me as the object. Please repeat. I, me, my. You, your. She, her, her. He, him, his. These are pronouns. Please make a flashcard like this. Write me up here. For example, Bob likes me. Down here, the category I, me, my, 21. And the number over here, 10 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The top one, me. And the bottom one, me. Both are correct. Game over. You did very well today. Number one, there is a fly on the wall. Number two, the dog likes me. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number one? Gravy. We use this when we're eating. It's delicious. Number two, Bob doesn't like to meet new people. He gets nervous. He is shy. Correct. And when you give the cat food, you are feeding the cat. Today is Thursday, September 4th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.